Good day and bad day, everyone. My name is Evangeline Medes. This is my project in MIL. The types of communication: mediated interpersonal communication, organizational communication, mass communication, interpersonal communication, and the public communication. First is the mediated interpersonal communications. There are times when you cannot and need to talk face to face, so communications become mediated through the use of devices such as pen, telephone, and computer.
Hi, Ate Wingeline. What's up?
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Ah, really?
How about you?
I'm okay, I'm okay. By the way, do you have a project in MIL?
Yes, I have. I have.
Ah, okay.
By the way, I have to go.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Next is the organizational communications. People communicate differently in a working environment.
Nakunin niya nga ito ang committee o siya, religious, no? Si Kagawad LDRB Alberto. Kung palakpakan sa, pwede magbalhin mo dito, kay murang matuwang ta. Naausap din ang ato ang kinakusgan usab nga no midwife no pinanguluhan usab ni Ma'am Vivsil kaniyet no sorry ato batagan og palagpag no si Ma'am Vivsil siya pagpangulo og sayang mga kauban nga niya karon din sa Busan. Daghan kay salamat, welcome sa ining ato ang programa no idol ko si Nanay.
Third is the mass communication. Is the community used to refer communication system that are configured to create and produce and disseminate media text to mass audience. It is also the traditional forms of mass communications consist of newspaper, radio, television, and film.
Magandang umaga, narito na ang mga unang balitang hatid ng GMA Integrated News. Igan, magsasagawa ng tingin pasada ang grupong Manibela bilang protesta sa mga pahayag ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na tuloy ang Public Transport Modernization Program. Ginit ang Manibela, malayo sa katotohanan ng sinabi ng Pangulo na 80% ng mga PUB ay consolidated na.
Binatikos din ng grupong Piston ang mga pahayag ng Pangulo dahil tila binabaliwala raw ang paghihirap na idinulot ng...
Fourth is the interpersonal communications, a form of communication that involves 2 to 3 individuals interacting through the use of their voices and bodies.
You know, girls, I have something to tell you about my crush yesterday. I saw him and my stomach is full of butterflies.
Oh!
Yeah. And you know, my heart is.
Oh, by the way, I have something to tell you. Oh my gosh. Your classmates? She's backstabbed me. You know that? The first name? First letter of the name.
I know that.
Oh my God.
I know that. Just speak quiet.
Okay. You know, guys, she's like, she's like, gosh. You know, guys, the hard level is very hard. They don't understand me?
Yeah.
But you understand too. You underestimate na lang.
You know what? The high level is so high.
Hard! Oh my gosh, yeah. Just like our grade 10 very hard. It's okay, but Carrie, for our math is very hard. But
Yeah.
I don't understand. Kaya that's why iniintindi ko na lang kahit hindi ko maintindihan.
And you know what? Our math is about square root. So I will find the square root and napunta ko ako dun sa puno. Dahil sa root. Okay?
You know,
The science tell us that our genetic imprints tell us your fate, your character, your choices.
Mamamatay
ang
ang
bobo, lalaki kang bobo, mamamatay kang bobo. And I
Thank you.
And the last is the public communication. It involves communicate differently in a working environment.
Paano mo ito natatama individual kung ano ang ating gusto.
Regine,
natin gawin.
ipakita daw.
Ang gusto, ang mga sarili natin or individual natin na desisyon sa ating buhay.